Hey guys, what's up? Adam here with Indie Farm Life. You guys saw the title of this video. I'm about ready to make a comment that's going to seem ridiculous, but I think it's true, and if you live in the woods, you'll understand. When you live in the woods, you don't notice dead trees. And so why do I make that comment? Well, in most neighborhoods or subdivisions, you might have 4 or 5 trees, maybe 10, who knows? But they're younger trees and the limbs are lower to the ground. Out here, that's not the case. Actually, that's the case. Most of our trees don't have branches for at least the first 40 or 50 feet. So if you're walking around down here and mowing the grass and you don't look straight up, you're not going to notice a dead tree unless you're scanning the canopy. Because again, no branches down here. And I'm sure it's really difficult to pick up on camera since I'm not showing you the canopy tops, but I think I've walked by about 4 or 5 trees out here that are dead, that are on camera just now. For example, this one. Or that cherry tree right there, or that cherry tree right there, or this maple right here that I was kind of shocked to see had died. And the one right next to it is actually on its way out too. That one there is pretty noticeable, kind of out in the open. However, this guy here, also dead. So until you walk around and start looking up, you kind of don't notice some of these dead trees. So while I have the time today, I'm going to grab the chainsaw, the tractor, and bring you guys along. Clean up a few trees. Can't miss that one. I'm gonna start with this one here in the driveway. Not enormous by any stretch. However, I am gonna be using the big feller. I know a handful of folks on the channel like the 390 XP. Like I said, they call it the big feller. I sure do. We're gonna see how good my felling eye is. See if the tree hits you guys or not. So awesome. I've said it before, and I will say it again. Felling trees, it's a lot of fun. Cleaning them up, terrible. If you're curious about the giant pile of wood chips, a website called Chip Drop. Arborists will bring them to you for free. It's pretty awesome. think I'm only gonna cut down those couple. Those two were closer to the house, so I was more worried about them. And you guys saw the log pile. I really don't need to add to it right now, so I'll leave some of those ones that are further away from the house just standing for now until they fall across the driveway. I'll take care of that guy probably some other time. Probably needs the backhoe to dig that one out so that the root ball comes with it. Bradford pear, won't take much. Obviously, we didn't have leaves on the trees about a month and a half ago, but I had no idea those trees were dead. Even after leaves had popped, I was just kind of walking around one day and I happened to look up and saw one and then counted 5 or 6. So, hey look, there's actually one right there I've never noticed. Great. So I'm gonna finish cleaning those up and move on to the next project. As you can see behind me, I have all kinds of aggregate out here. There is always something in the works. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.